Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC, and in today's video I'll show you how to check for window activation on your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Click on it, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to system right here. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to activation. Click on that. Then here you go. You have your activation status right here. Right here, you see that your window is active. However, if your window is not active, you can do the activation same way right here. Or you may decide to change your product key in the activation section. For that, go ahead and click on change product key and enter your new product key in order to activate your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.